Alright guys, I'm going to run this for Jake. He's got the Team Cactus here, 7:04 p.m. We'll type live. We are live. 7:04 p.m. 7:04 p.m. We will grab the list. $15 spots of 3. Alright, we'll drop the list in a random. We got 15 entries, Bill on the bottom and Jody up on top. I'm going to roll 2 dice, 5 or higher. And we have a 6. We're going 6 times. Good luck. Here we go. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 5 times. Dice show the 6. Next click wins. Good luck. And 6. Congrats to Robert. Spot number 5. You are the winner. Get in touch with Jake and get the cactus. We are done 7:05 p.m. We'll go back. We will type done. We are done 7:05 p.m. 7:05 p.m. Here is the timestamp and verification.